Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to scan a QR code on Busha. Now, scanning a QR code on Busha, often for receiving cryptocurrency or confirming transactions, generally follow these steps. You need to access your Busha account through the mobile app. You need to look for an icon or option that indicates scan QR code. This may be found in the wallet, deposit, send or security section, depending on the purpose of the scan. Sometimes the camera icon itself will initiate the scan. Now, you need to grant camera permissions if necessary. If this is your first time using a QR code scanner, Busha may ask for permission to access the device's camera. Grant the necessary permission. Now you need to hold your device's camera over the QR code you want to scan. Ensure the QR code is within the frame displayed on your screen and maintain a stable distance and avoid shaking your device. There's also automatic scanning, and the Busha app should automatically scan and decode the QR code. Once the code is successfully scanned, the app will display the information contained within the QR code. Now, depending on the purpose of the scan, you may be asked to confirm the information or proceed with a transaction. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process.